Which is the iQ228 Cyclone. It's a tile saw, 7-inch blade. It's a downdraft system. You can use a 24-inch piece, slides and it cuts. Has our dust tray, our filter system, just like all our other tools.
That's really cool.
Dry cut, 35 pounds, very portable, easy, great for ceramic tile, porcelain tile, LVT.
Makes it pretty easy.
Yeah, thin veneers, it's very, very versatile. And one of the unique features on this is you can take these guards off, and then you have a totally open space here to do whatever you need to, so you can manipulate materials. This is a micro adjuster, so you can dial it in if you have repetitive cuts that you need to make. We have graduations already set up here. This makes it where you can dial it in to perfection.
That's
and we have a 45, 22, and a 0 here. So,
that's impressive.
yeah. So just some of the features that we
So you would
thought about.
set that here, and then you could adjust your finite adjustment.
Right. So
Yep.
if you needed to make some repetitive cuts, you could, and that'd be exactly
And
the same.
that just locks right in.
Right.
So you just drop in. I see how it works. And then you can adjust here. And it's got your inches built in here in quarter.
Right.
And this is obviously all your different inches up to 8 inches.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.